Hello students, this is practice set 1.3 and we are going to solve here remaining question of practice set 1.3 question number 3. So fourth question, fifth question and sixth questions are remaining. So we are going to solve this by Cramer's rule. So let's start. First we'll start fourth one. Fourth one is 6x minus 4y. This is equal to minus 12. And the second equation is 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. So you will again compare this with general form, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and this equation will compare with a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So you will get here a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 4 and c1 is equal to minus 12. And from this equation you will get a2 is equal to 8, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 2. And we know what we will do. What is our next step? We know we will find the value of d, determinant, then we'll find the dx and we'll find the dy. So first we'll find the value of d. So d is what? a1 a2 b1 b2. So what is a1 a2? a1 is 6 and a2 is 8. b1 is minus 4 and b2 is minus 3. So this is equal to multiply 6 multiplied by minus 3, then minus sign, minus 4 multiplied by 8. So you will get what? Minus 18. This minus minus becomes plus, 4 8s are 32, and then you will get subtraction 14. Okay, so plus 14 is the value of d. Now we'll find the dx. So how will find dx? So dx is a1 and a2 is replaced by c1 and c2. So c1 c2 b1 b2 will be as it is. Now we will write what is c1 and what is c2. So c1 is minus 12 and c2 is minus 2. So write minus 12 minus 2. What is b1 and b2? b1 is minus 4 and b2 is minus 3. And similarly we will multiply minus 12 multiplied by minus 3, then minus sign, minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. We know that when you will multiply two number with same sign, so answer is always positive. So minus minus becomes plus, 12 3s are 36, and minus sign, this is minus 4 multiplied by minus 2, this will be plus 8. So this will be what? 28. 36 minus 8 is 28. This is the value of dx. Now we'll find the value of dy. So to find the value of dy, we'll write a1 a2 and b1 b2 is replaced by c1 c2. What is a1 a2? So a1 a2 is 6 and 8. What is c1 c2? c1 c2 is minus 12 minus 2, and we will solve 6 multiplied by minus 2 and then minus sign, minus 12 multiplied by 8. So this will be what? Minus 12. Because of this minus becomes plus. 12 8s are 96. And you will get answer. This will be 4, 6 minus 2, 4 and 9 minus 1, 8. 84. So here you will get value of dy is 84. So this is the value of d. then you are getting the value of dx and dy. So I will write the value here, d and then dx and then dy. So what is the value of d? D is 40. Dx is 28 and dy is 84. And now by Cramer's rule. Now by Cramer's rule. So how will write the Cramer's rule? So x is equal to what? Dx divided by d. And what is dx? Dx is 28. 28 divided by d. D is 40. So you will get 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. So you get x is equal to 2. And similarly, y, that is dy upon d. So dy is 84 and 84 divided by d. D is 14. So 14 ones are and 46 are. So y is equal to 6. And finally write the answer. That is, solution is, write the answer. Solution is at x comma y, this is equal to 2 comma 6. Okay students, so if you want to take the screenshot, so you take the screenshot, then we will see next question. हाँ तो बच्चों यहाँ पे अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्या है? 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. This is the question number 5. So fourth is over. Now we are solving fifth one, and again we will solve by Cramer's rule. So start the solution. So we are going to compare this equation with what? A1x, sorry, A1, here variable is m, so you may take m, you may take A1x plus B1y is equal to 54. Okay, and here A2x plus B2y is equal to, that is C2. So take here variable is m, so write here m as the variable. Here n is the variable, so take here n. So a1n plus b1n is equal to 54, and take here m is the variable, so a2m plus b2n is equal to c2. So here variable is m and n. Then we are going to compare this equation with a1m plus b1n is equal to 54, and this equation by a2m plus b2n is equal to c2. Okay. So what is the value of a1 here? So a1 is equal to 4. What is b1? b1 is equal to 6. And what is c1? c1 is equal to 54. Similarly, here value of a2, a2 is equal to 3. What is b2? b2 is equal to plus 2. And what is c2? c2 is equal to plus 28. Now we'll find the value of d. So d is a1 a2 and b1 b2. So what is a1 a2? So a1 is 4. What is a2? a2 is 3. What is b1? b1 is 6. What is b2? b2 is 2. And then you know how to solve determinant. So 4 multiplied by 2. So this is 4 2s are 8. Minus sign, 6 3s are 18. So you will get 8 minus 18 is what? Minus 10. And then we will find the value of dx. So dx, a1 and a2 will be replaced by c1 and c2. And this is what? b1, b2. So what is c1, c2? c1 is 54 and c2 is 28. And what is b1, b2? b1 is 6 and b2 is 2. So simply multiply, 54 2s are, so 54 multiplied by 2, then minus sign, 6 multiplied by 28. So this will be 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, minus 6 8s are 48, carry 4, 6 2s are 12, 12 and 4 16, that is 108 minus 168, so you will get here minus 60. Now we'll find the value of dy. So we'll find the value of dy, you will get a1 a2 will be as it is, b1 b2 replaced by c1 c2. So this is equal to, what is a1 a2? So a1 a2 is 4 and 3. And what is c1 c2? C1 c2 is 54 and 28. And similarly we'll solve the determinant 4 multiplied by 28 minus 54 multiplied by 3. So you will get 4 8s are 32, carry 3, 4 2s are 8 and 3 11, 112 minus 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 5s are 15 and 1 16. So this is minus 162. So answer will be minus 50. Okay. So what is the value of d, dx and dy? So I will note down here value of d is minus 10. What is value of dx? So dx is minus 60. And what is the value of dy? Dy is minus 50. So here is the value of d, dx and dy, that is minus 10, minus 60 and minus 50. Now by using Cramer's rule, what is x? X is dx upon d. And what is dx? Dx is minus 60 divided by d. D is minus 10. So you will get 6, because negative sign will cancel out, or 10 6 is 60. Similarly, you will get value of y, that is dy upon d. And what is dy? Dy is minus 50 upon d is minus 10. Negative sign will cancel out, 10 1s are 10, 10 5s are 50, so you will get 5. So your answer is solution of linear equation 2 variable is, that is x comma y, this is equal to x is 6 and y is 5. Okay students, so in this way you are going to solve this equation by using Cramer's rule. And very last question of this practice set, that is 1.3, that is last one, 6th question. So take the screenshot, so we will see the 6th question. हाँ तो बच्चों क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, तो इस प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये इक्वेशन को थोड़ा सॉल्व करके हम लोग वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई होल इक्वेशन बाय 2. सो फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इक्वेशन 1 and this is equation 2. So multiply equation 2 by 2. So when you will multiply equation 2 by 2, so what will happen? This 2 and this 2 will cancel out. You will get what? 2x minus y is equal to 1. This will be equation number 3. And now we will solve this by Cramer's rule. Okay. So x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, so just multiply by 2, so you will cancel out this 2 and this 2, so you will get 2x minus y is equal to 1. And now we will solve by Cramer's rule. So solution, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. So compare this equation with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So you will get a1 is equal to what? What will be a1? a1 will be 2. a1 is 2. What is b1? b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is 2. Similarly, for second equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 1. When you will compare this equation by a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So you will get a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1 and c2 is equal to 1. And now we'll find the different value of that is determinants, that is d. First we'll find d. So D is what? A1, A2 and B1, B2. So what is A1, A2? So A1 is 2, A2 is 2. A1 and A2 is both the same, so that 2 and 2. What is B1 and B2? So B1 is 3 and B2 is minus 1. 3 minus 1. How we will solve this? So this is equal to what? 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus sign 3 multiplied by 2. So this will be equal to what? Minus 2 minus 3 2s are 6. So minus 2 and minus 6 is minus 8. Okay. So this is the value of D. Now we will find the value of dx. So dx is equal to what? A1, A2 is replaced by C1, C2. So write C1, C2 and B1, B2 will be as it is. So what is C1, C2? So C1 is 2 and C2 is 1. So this is 2 and this is 1. B1 and B2, B1 is 3 and B2 is minus 1. So 3 minus 1. Now we will simplify. 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus sign 3 multiplied by 1. So you will get minus 2 minus 3 ones are 3, which is equal to minus 5. So this is the value of dx. Now we'll find the value of dy. So dy is equal to what? A1, A2 will be as it is and B1, B2 is replaced by C1, C2. So this is equal to, what is A1, A2? A1, A2 is 2, 2 and C1, C2. C1, C2 is 2, 1. Just simplify. 2 multiplied by 1 minus sign 2 multiplied by 2. So you will get 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. So this is the value of dy. Now write down the value of d. Here d is equal to what? What is d? D is minus 8. What is dx? Dx is minus 5. And what is dy? Dy is minus 2. So value of d is minus 8, dx is minus 5 and dy is minus 2. Now we'll find by using Cramer's rule. By using Cramer's rule. What will be x dx upon d? And what is dx? Dx is minus 5 divided by d is minus 8. So minus minus will cancel out. You will get 5 by 8. And y is dy divided by d. So what is dy? Dy is minus 2 and divided by d is minus 8. So minus minus again. This will become plus 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So this will be 1 by 4. So value of x is 5 by 8 and value of y is 1 by 4. And finally we write this answer, that is solution is, that is x comma y. What is x? X is 5 by 8 and what is y? 1 by y is y is 1 by 4. Okay student? So if you want to take the screenshot, so you can take the screenshot. So this is the very last question of practice set 1.3 and next practice set we are going to see in the next video. Okay students? So thank you very much. Have a nice day.